Hi, I'm Swell Fifth here with nothing. I'm tired of this schizophrenic episode. Tomorrow at 4:20 a.m. Carl Weezer's second cousin done dish soap. In fact, Hollywood is bleeding, but I cannot let go. Ice cream truck in the hood. Have you ever been craving a burger, but are tired of all the boring places? Well, come on down to Juicy Fortnite Burger. If you like McDonald's, then you'll love this shiz. Located on 300 North Denver Avenue, 74103. Late night shenanigans in the Waffle House parking lot. O'Hare stole my oxygen tank tonight on ABC. Mediocre raisin nut brand hits diff at 4:52. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Vibing to Lonely by Travis Bradley, playing God's Bop in the Hood. Arrested for assault and battery at age 4. They were double A. XD LOL. I like that laugh. Watching Flip Flop in my 1978 Dodge Caravan. Amber Heard chilling with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Tricked my mom into marrying Kanye West. Landline for the garage.